We are now getting a look at daylight video from Maui and the severe damage left behind after deadly fires.
Flames have swept through parts of Hawaii's Maui Island, particularly the resort town of Lahaina. 36 people, at least at this point, are dead. President Joe Biden has now declared a state of disaster, which means federal help is on the way. And CBS 2's Billy V has our report.
The fire that roared through Maui's historic Lahaina town like a blowtorch has left devastation everywhere.
What we saw looked like an area that had been bombed and burned in a war zone.
Helicopter tour operator Richie Olston flew over the smoldering town.
There's hundreds of homes leveled down to the ground. The historic section of the town is destroyed. Even the boats in the harbor were burned down to the water. They're gone.
This is truly an all-hands-on-deck situation.
As the massive search and rescue effort is underway, officials fear the death toll will rise.
The primary focus is to save lives and to prevent human suffering and to mitigate great property loss.
The National Guard is dumping water on the fires, which are being fueled by low humidity, drought conditions, and whipping winds from a hurricane 700 miles away.
I'm going to make sure the state has everything it needs from the federal government to recover.
And now that President Biden has declared a major disaster, more federal help is on the way, but that's little solace to those who have lost everything.
Just down to the slab, nothing but smoke, cinders. Came with the clothes we got on and a dog and 2 kids. Here we are.
Shelters are packed with people who have nowhere else to go. This satellite image captures what Lahaina looked like before the fire and after. A once thriving community and lively tourist destination reduced to ashes. Billy V, CBS News, Honolulu.
Meanwhile, help is on the way from local Red Cross volunteers. Paul Bammon of the Greater Chicago chapter of the Red Cross will be heading to Maui to join other volunteers to hand out supplies to help those affected by the wildfires. More disaster teams are deploying from the other Hawaiian islands and across the country.